and out in Europe, but very, very similar.
Okay, armpits update.
Clean.
Clean. Damn, she going deeper water for this belly flop.
Okay, ready? One.
Right here?
Yes.
So shallow.
Because you cannot jump. You cannot jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I make sure I look away just in case some coconuts come falling out.
Okay, thank you. Don't rock.
Oh look, a fish. You see fish?
Oh my god, it's hot.
You see the fish?
Yeah. But actually it's hard.
Yeah, it's a belly flop.
Wow, hard. It burned to my chest. See that shit? What? It's hard, right? Okay, huh? I mean, he just flat. I mean, I have like coconut as well. I just hurt here first and my belly later. But I mean, hurt. They do kayak over there.
Stand-up paddleboard? Oh, paddleboard? Yeah.
I feel the fish just bite me. Spicy eyes, salty. Oh! So clean, right? See, deep. Very warm.
Yeah, feels like I'm swimming in piss right now.
So warm.
Did you pee island in here?
No, I'm not. I'm not good. I did in the bathroom already.
Yeah, sometimes you feel the cold and then you feel the warm.
Yeah, they just mix together. They mix cold and warm. They have different. So beautiful, right, sir? Need a shark. I just scared the water going to you. After that, I want go swim. Eat you and table and come back to swim. Jellyfish. Do you think they have jellyfish here?
Sometimes. Not to eat.
In Vietnam, eat anything.
You just eat everything.
Anything we see, we eat. We see, we eat. Dangerous. Sometimes dangerous Vietnam. Stay away from my eyes. I will eat you. Wow, I love it. Warm sea, warm water, beautiful colors. I love Khao Samui. Love the beach, love the vibes here. I don't want to get out. When you get out, it's feel cold and have to put your body in the water again. Sometimes it's also dirty. It's not poo-poo. Like something like dirty. It's dirty. You go more further outside, more far, more clear. More far, more clear.